Steve Gactina, Tommy on Cadian in you. So we're on Wednesday and we're on page 109. But we're also going to look at page 76 as well, okay? So just a little bit of extra kind of verb work for 76 as well, okay? So here is Nahana Nua. So again, new phrases or interesting phrases. Nuravi and Wrong Skiola Heart. So that's one that we had in our folklore. So on Wrong Skiola Heart, when it was over. So Nuravi she heart, when it was over. Right, so that's the little phrase we're looking at today. So let's look at the picture. It says, so Nuravi something heart kuig someone away somewhere. So right, you have to finish it. Okay, so I think that is a scanon. So Nuravi on scanon heart kuig napashti galera wali. You have to finish off the sentence, okay? You have to decide how you're going to finish it. Right, Iverdo Nuravi on Clihe Pella heart Canig, what are we going to say? They bought something. Canig sheet galer jock or something like that. They all bought a drink, okay, or something like that. You decide. I'm just gonna look at the next one. So Nuravi Rodeg and Heart Dimmig. So they went. Dimmig is went. All right. So the second one we had was shot on sale. So do you remember when they were going up on the ski lift? They're like, oh, shot on sale. This is the life, basically. This is the life, okay? So here is a picture shot on sale. Here's a picture shot on sale. And now your job in your copy is to draw a picture for this is the life. Oh, shot on sale, right? Now, I'm not going to bother with this little bit here, guys. I'll leave it for the moment. I can read it out. It's basically about Sunday morning. So it's basically Majin down a car close full of, so an empty car park. Mom and dad fos in a chola. So mom and dad are still asleep. Pardoga Molova, so pads on my hands and on my Machluana freshen on my knees as well. Clugged Macian mar chusant brescia. So there's a helmet on my head for extra protection. Eg slauno eg titum. So eg slauno is to sliding. Eg titum is to fall. Mahon laguis. That means my bum in the wind, basically. Eg casa eg dero, twisting and turning. Eg ardu go reg. So going up high. On and on. Eraig. On gui imagruig. The wind in my hair. Eg rolo goch elionta. So goch elionta. So that's that is to rolling skillfully, actually. So skillfully. Malani nua on my new skates. They downuk. Majin downig on Sunday morning. Car close full of empty car park. Saoirse free nav earth. So that means heaven on earth. So it's a nice little poem about doing something that you love, I suppose. Your Cahaimtris Fiarlat. All right. So it's a nice little poem there. And now I'm just going to very, very quickly, we're going to do a small bit here today. So this is on page 76, okay? Now, guys, this is, I suppose, because you're 6th class, you kind of have to get into the habit of being able to change little paragraphs into other tenses, okay? So that's why I'm giving you this. So here we have, they are le brihra nav realta. Now, we've gone through a fair few of the brihra nav realta at this stage. We had derhig last week. We've had Hánig, Tuggin, Juckig. We've had all of these. Most of them, I'd say Burr is the only one we haven't really had, or you haven't done before maybe. But so guys, we have Duarche, he said, and then Hánig she he came, Rinne she he made, Dish she he ate, Hug she he gave, Hula she he heard, Chonig she he saw, Rug she he grabbed, For she he got, Cui she he went, agus vi she he was. Okay, and these are all the subsequent Then we have I'm sure Lárach. Der sé, he says every day. Tugan sé, he goes every day. Danan sé, he does every day. Ihan sé, he eats every day. Tugan sé, he gives every day. Chushan sé, he hears every day. Feckin sé, he sees every day. Bur sé, he grabs every day. Fine sé, he gets every day. Tain sé, he goes. And being sé, he is every day. And then the future is Derek sé, he will say. Jockey sé, he will go, or he will come, sorry. Daning sé, he will do. Isig sé, he will eat. Tori sé, he will give. And then Clush, he will hear. Fecky sé, he will see. Berry sé, he will grab. Yohig sé, he will go. He will get. Sorry, Yohig. Rocky sé, he will go. And Beg sé, he will be, basically. So this is your leg an scale. Hánig Siobhána bhaile an scolar and lachúir treis a 3 inné. Rinne si ceapra folán sa chiisten agus dis sé. So she came home from school at 3:30. She made sandwiches, healthy sandwiches if you don't mind. Sa chiisten agus dis sé. So she ate them. Hug sé glina vanya the griffer o. So she gave a glass of milk to her young sister. Chula sé, she a cardja a kaint is a gaeilge, so she heard her friends talking and laughing. Cunnig she de immert imaniachta, they were playing hurling an Fike and in the green, basically on the green an Fike. Rug she an chaman, so she grabbed her hurl agus for she slitter free styra, so she got a slitter from under the stairs. Dúir chilling of her garish the dulamach, she told her mother she was going out. Cui she a mac an Fike agus vi she ag imaniacht goodie a shock the cloak. She went out onto the green and she was playing hurling or camogie goodie up to 7 o'clock. Okay, so it's a small story. Now what I'd like you to do, guys, is just put that into the I'm sure Oshnach. I won't get you to do the both of them, guys, it's a lot. So I'll get you to do number K, which is put it into I'm sure Oshnach, and it gives you the hint to the first one there. All right, okay, so remember to put a mark into it because you're talking about in the future she will do this. All right, slán live.